There it is, the wonderful scratch. And here are the excited chickens. All they hear is that little sound, and chick, chick, chick. Jules has no chance of getting up there, so I generally dump some in his direction. They're eating scratch, which is a mixture of cracked corn and seeds, and really has no nutritional value to them, except for the fact that when they eat it, it heats them up. Kind of like after our body temperature rises after a meal. And that's Helga, being Helga. So it helps them on these cold nights like this. We're looking at 0 temperature, 0 degrees in temperature the last few nights. So it's important to give your chickens something in their belly to, like I said, to help actually keep them warm. Helga takes advantage. She's a hog, but she's old, so we let her act like she wants to act. I try to get them to come up here on the ladder. My reds will come up here. Oop, and there she is. There's my Caroline. Checking out all the seed. She eats backwards, but that's okay. And she gets some exercise because she hops up here on the ladder to do this. 3 of them so far will get up here. Some of them during the day they'll just be out here crawling on the ladder, climbing around, so it's good exercise for them. They fly up onto it and they fly off it. And the more chickens fly, the better. It shows that they're light enough weight to actually get off the ground, unlike Helga. And it also is it's just great exercise for them. A lot more effort to fly than it is to walk for these guys. Right, Caroline?